braking, lifting off the accelerator. I'm going to help you focus looking ahead on the track. This car, you got to watch the back end. If you get on the throttle too hard coming off a turn, it will get a little loose.
Right, it's rear-wheel drive.
It's rear-wheel drive. Right. All right, let's pull on up behind that white Porsche.
So it's not going to be as forgiving as the Huracan.
No. It's got a little more front end grip, but it's a little looser in the back end under power.
Let's see. Okay. Might need to be a little bit careful going around that one turn. That's really...
Which curve's that?
It goes like this, I think. It's really, really steep. Like, or trying to think of the word. It's really, really long.
Okay, you can go.
Okay.
Well, we'll work on those curves.
I mean, I'm okay going straight, not fast. But it's corn. Yeah, I'm sure we'll approach it. Well, I know the turn when I see it.
All right, keep going. All right, stay over to this left side. Lift off that throttle, just a little bit of brake here, turn in, off that brake, cut into the right. It's a little stiffer brake than the Lamborghini, isn't it? Accelerate out to the left, then accelerate to our right. Start picking up throttle as we go down this left side. So accelerate down this side all the way to turn in come. Stay into the left. Transition to the right, so accelerate to this right apex. Go all the way to the next set of right cones. Then accelerate over to the left apex cone. Alright, lift off the throttle at 3. Now brake here right around the 1. Off that brake, cut into the right. Accelerate past the right apex. All the way to the other side to the left cones. There's 2 left cones. Stay into the left off that throttle. Just a little bit of brake. Turn into the right. We're going to turn into this right apex. Right apex, we're going to accelerate out to the left. Accelerate out to the left. We're going to go by this 1 cone. Go all the way down the turn in. Stay to turn in. Now cut hard to the right. Accelerate up this right side. Keep accelerating up this right side. Cutting to the left. We'll accelerate. Stay in left. Stay in left. Keep accelerating around this curve. Alright, then we're going to chase it right apex. Accelerating over the hill on the right. Stay into the right as we get ready to go through this corner. Stay over toward this right cone. Lift off that throttle, just a little bit of brake here, 1 to turn in. Okay, off that brake, cut hard into this left.
Okay. Yeah, this is the turn.
That's the one that give you a hard time?
Yeah.
Get over here to the right. And then back over to your left. Stay over to the left. This is a hard one. This is deception.
Oh, wait, this is the
Now
one.
cut hard to the right. Accelerate around this curve. Accelerate all the way around this left-hand corner. Go all the way to the 3 cones on the left. Alright, we'll do a little bit of brake. Cut into our right. I want you to stay on the right side. I'm going to let this red Lamborghini pass us. Just keep going. Keep going. Alright, follow him down the left side. Keep accelerating down this left side. Go, accelerate. Alright, we'll start braking. Not as much brake. Not as much brake.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to brake again. Keep going, keep going. SS, I'm going to give 2 right after this curve. So right. Stay to the right. Go ahead, pass for 3. off it, brake into the right. Hard into this right, out to the left. Stay out to the left, keep accelerating light through this left hand. And cut right real hard. Accelerate up this hill toward the right. And then cut left. Keep accelerating to the left. Stay to the left. Now transition to the right. Stay outside. We'll go to this first red cone. On the right side, we're going to brake. Alright, off that brake, cut hard to this left. Accelerate out to the right. Get over to the right.
I gotta say, this thing.
That was easier that time, wasn't it? Back into the left.
Actually handles better than the Huracan I drove.
It does, don't it? We'll stay to the left. Now cut hard to the right. Now accelerate over this hill toward the left. And over to the left. Lift off that throttle, just a little bit of brake before we go in this corner. Alright, then we're going around this curve. We'll get to the left side and accelerate straight away. Alright, accelerate down the straightaway. Brake into the right. Right, we're going to accelerate out to the left. Accelerate back to the right. Just pick up a little more throttle. Accelerating back out to the left. Accelerating to the right. Right. Back to the left. Brake, one to turn in, off that brake, cut to the right, accelerate by this right apex, out to the left side. Straight out to the left, lift off that throttle, brake one to turn in, off that brake into the right. Right, accelerate out to left. Staying out to the left side, get hard to the right. Accelerate up this hill toward this right cone. And cut into your left. Keep accelerating toward the left. Keep accelerating around this left. Stay left. Back to the right. Stay to the right side. We're going to the right cone over here. Turn in. Okay, cut real hard, take a hard look. Now accelerate out to the right. Back to the left. Lift off that throttle. Now cut real hard to the right. Go over the hill, accelerating over the hill. Towards your left. Alright, this time we're going to go in the pit road between the blue.
Okay.
Well, what do you think about the Porsche?
Man, the handling is nice.
It really handles
this
nice.
thing just turns. I mean, that one turn back there, when I drove the Huracan, it scared the crap out of me.
It doesn't corner as well as this, does it?
But, yeah, this I feel more confident.
A lot more.
I mean, it's, you know,